Welcome to Doctor Mai, sharing medical knowledge. Today's topic is an enlightening one: yoga therapy, a holistic mind-body practice designed to improve your physical, emotional, and mental health. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment below. Your support helps us bring more valuable content to you and others seeking to enhance their health and well-being. What is yoga therapy? Yoga therapy is a therapeutic process that empowers individuals to enhance their health and well-being through the practice of yoga. Unlike regular yoga classes, yoga therapy tailors movements, breathing exercises, mindfulness practices, and meditation to meet your specific physical, emotional, and mental health needs. By engaging in yoga therapy, you become an active participant on your wellness journey, rather than a passive recipient of treatment. It is a powerful, whole-body approach aimed at achieving better health and balance in your life. The tools of yoga therapy include physical postures and movements. Specific yoga poses are selected to meet your physical capabilities and promote flexibility, strength, and healing. Breathing exercises. Controlled breathing helps regulate stress, improve focus, and manage various symptoms like pain. Meditation and relaxation. Deep relaxation and mindfulness techniques help calm the mind and reduce anxiety or emotional tension. A certified yoga therapist will work one-on-one with you to assess your health status and design a safe, personalized practice. They review your medical history, address your health concerns, and guide you through yoga postures with attention to form, technique, and injury prevention. Your therapist helps you relax, manage stress, and reach your personal wellness goals. Yoga therapy is best practiced in conjunction with treatment from your healthcare provider for any underlying medical conditions. You don't need to have any prior yoga experience. This practice is designed for everyone, regardless of skill level. What does yoga therapy treat or manage? Yoga therapy is an incredibly versatile practice, providing relief and management for a wide variety of health concerns. While research is still ongoing, the current evidence suggests that yoga therapy can reduce physical discomfort and manage chronic pain, such as back or joint pain, assist neurological conditions like multiple sclerosis, fibromyalgia, epilepsy, and stroke, ease joint pain related to arthritis, relieve headaches and tension caused by stress, support weight loss through mindful movement and breathing exercises, boost your mood and alleviate symptoms of depression, help reduce anxiety and stress levels, ease menopausal symptoms like hot flashes and mood swings, calm trauma-related stress, providing mental and emotional support. While it is not a substitute for medical treatments, yoga therapy works as an additional therapeutic method that helps you manage symptoms and enhance your overall well-being. How does yoga therapy work? Before beginning yoga therapy, you'll have an initial consultation with your yoga therapist. They will assess your health needs, consider your physical capabilities, and discuss your wellness goals. Based on this information, your therapist will create a personalized plan that includes a combination of yoga postures, breathing exercises, and meditation techniques. What happens during a yoga therapy session? A typical yoga therapy session involves posture guidance. Your therapist will teach you how to sit and stand correctly to prevent injury and improve posture. Movements and stretches, designed to increase your strength, flexibility, and balance. Breathing exercises. These exercises are intended to help you relax, reduce pain, and manage stress. Relaxation and meditation. The session ends with deep relaxation, helping you unwind and find peace. Here are some examples of movements you might perform during a session. 1. Cat-cow pose. This pose alternates between arching and rounding your back, promoting spine flexibility and improved posture. 2. Spinal twists. Gentle seated twists that aid digestion, tone your core muscles, and relieve back pain. 3. Side bends. These stretches open the body, allowing for deeper breaths and enhanced lung capacity. How long is a session? Your first yoga therapy session typically lasts between 30 to 90 minutes. Regular home practice, often recommended by your therapist, can take about 15 minutes a day and supports your progress. The frequency of sessions depends on your needs, and it can range from weekly to monthly visits. Benefits of yoga therapy. The benefits of yoga therapy are vast, with both short-term and long-term advantages for your body and mind. Some of these include stress relief. Yoga therapy helps activate the parasympathetic nervous system, which counters stress responses. Mental clarity. It improves concentration, focus, and mental peace. Stronger muscles. Regular practice strengthens and tones muscles while reducing the risk of injury. Pain reduction. Yoga stretches and movements relieve tension in tight muscles and joints. Improved balance and flexibility. Yoga therapy enhances coordination and stability. Better sleep. Deep relaxation techniques help manage insomnia and promote better sleep patterns. With proper guidance from a therapist, the risks are minimal. The practice focuses on safe, gentle movements that cater to each individual's physical limitations, making it accessible to nearly. What's the difference between yoga and yoga therapy? Yoga and yoga therapy are distinct practices. While yoga is typically a form of exercise aimed at improving fitness, yoga therapy focuses on treating specific health conditions and enhancing wellness. Yoga instructors lead group classes designed for general fitness, often with a faster pace and less focus on individual health concerns. Yoga therapists, on the other hand, provide personalized care, incorporating yoga as a therapeutic tool. A yoga therapist requires at least 1,000 hours of training and tailors sessions to improve function, alleviate symptoms, and restore balance. The process is slow, deliberate, and focused on both physical and mental well-being. A note from Dr. Mai. Yoga therapy is a holistic, ancient practice that can help you achieve a healthier and more balanced lifestyle. Whether you're dealing with chronic pain, stress, or simply want to improve your flexibility, yoga therapy can provide relief and help you achieve your personal health goals. Before starting yoga therapy, consult your healthcare provider to ensure it is the right option for your condition. Thank you for joining us today on Dr. Mai, sharing medical knowledge. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and leave a comment below to let us know what topics you'd like to see next. Your support helps us continue bringing informative content to help you on your health journey. Stay healthy and keep practicing.